Guys, good day and welcome to the channel. If you're new, you're so welcome, and if you're not new, thank you so much for stopping by once again. Okay, so guys, this is our first wig review for this year, and this wig is from Asteria hair. I love their box. It's so beautiful, and this is what the wig looks like. They sent the pre-cut glueless body wave wig, and guys, I am so excited because this is my first glueless wig. I am so excited. So in the box also they sent some lashes, some HD wig cap, guys, not your normal wig cap, HD wig cap for the girls that love to do their bald cap method. They also sent a melting band, an edge brush, and also this amazing silk bag for you to keep your wig when it's not in use. Okay, so guys, this is what the wig looks like. Guys, this wig has already been pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-bleached. Like, all you have to do is just open it and pop it on and you're off and ready to go. Like, I am so in love with this wig. So as you can see, this wig is already properly packaged, like well packaged. This is what the airline looks like. It has already been pre-styled for you. You can see the coils, guys. The coils are secured, like nothing is happening to these coils. They are secured and ready for you to slay. So it is a 5x5 closure wig, guys. So it's not really the regular 4x4 closure, so you have a little bit more room to play around with this wig. So guys, looking at the construction of this wig, as you can see, the knots are already bleached, so you don't need to bleach it, and the wig came with a strap which is very adjustable and detachable, and it also came with 3 combs on the side and also in the bottom. Okay, so guys, the wig came in 22 inches. That also if I didn't add. So now time to also install the wig. I'm just going to brush all my edges backward and then use this should I say wig cap. I love this wig cap because it's already in my color and I don't need to apply foundation to it to match my skin. So now I'm just going to pop this wig on, and guys, look at the coils. Like, you don't even need to style this wig. I would say these are for the girlies that don't like stress. Girlies like me that don't like stress, we have a glueless wig for you, which you don't need any glue, any melting balm, any spray whatsoever. All you just need to do is you can apply maybe powder or foundation on the lace to tint it a bit, which I don't think it's really necessary because it actually melts very well on your skin. So now I'm just going to wear this on my head, guys. And with glueless wig, you need to pick a wig that fits your size. So mine is a size small. You would have to measure your hair to know your perfect size, just so it's just lays flat and perfect on your head. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like up close, and guys, I am amazed. Like, I am amazed, and I love this wig so much. So guys, now I'm just going to grab my mousse to just apply that on the lace. So doing this just helps to make the lace a bit less noticeable. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just using my edge brush and just applying that on the lace around my head. So, and then I'm just going to grab the edge melting bands that Asteria gave me to just press this down forward. Okay, so guys, now I'm just going to use this white tooth comb to just comb out the coils a little bit, just so we see the volume of this hair. And guys, when I say this hair is very full, like, I am so impressed. Like, this hair is very full. You can use a brush if you want, but I prefer white tooth combs, just so it doesn't brush all the coils off completely. So guys, now I'm just trying to add a bit of layers to the hair. So to add layers, I'm just first going to take a small piece just around the front of both sides of the hair, and I will be using this my the eyebrow razor. I love this because it's just very easy to use compared to scissors for me. So I'm just going to trim that a bit where I want that to start from, and then just take a bit more piece around the both end of the hair, and just do like layers down. Okay. I hope the video is well explanatory, but it's very simple. And just make sure you use a razor. If a scissors works for you, fine, but I love my razor. And guys, I'm just going to grab my hair wax and just use that to just slick the little hairs that are just on the top. This is totally optional, but I just like, you know, the top of my wig to look slick. Okay, so I love to do this, and I also will use my hair serum to just add little shine to my hair. Okay. Ever since I left your crib yesterday, trying to work but it's hard to concentrate. Gotta clear my head, I'ma meditate. But the truth is I just wanna come back. So guys, now I'm just going to take out this band from the wig, and as you can see guys, the lace looks way better. Finally, I'm just going to use my powder to just define the parts on this wig, and guys, we are good to go. Let me know in the comment section if you love this wig. As for me, I am now on glueless wig. Let me know if you love this wig guys. I just love the body, the volume, the style, the ease of installing this wig, and guess what guys, it is glueless. All the details to this wig will be in the description box. Thank you so much Asteria Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, bye. Even guess nobody's leaving tonight.